Hello, I am Dr. Sam Mahajana, Assistant Professor of Jyotirvidya Petroleum University. Today we discuss about the determination of terms of trade or measurement of terms of trade. The measurement of terms of trade. We can measure the terms of trade with the help of offer curve of two countries. When there are two countries and two goods, the terms of trade of a country refers to the ratio between the export price and import price of of its goods, that is the px divided by pm. The terms of trade of one country being the imports of other country and vice versa. The terms of trade of one country are the inverse of the terms of trade of other countries. Suppose there are two countries, say England and Germany. England produce clothes and Germany produce linen, which they trade with each other. The terms of trade of Germany are PL divided by PC, and if England PC divided by PL. The between terms of trade are determined when their price ratio are in equilibrium, that is PL divided by PC equal to PL divided by PC equal to 1. The determination of equilibrium terms of trade we can also explain with the help of diagrams. With help of diagrams, these diagrams, suppose y-axis shows the linen and x-axis shows the clothes. Linen produced by the Germany and cloth produced by the England. OE is the OE is upper curve of England to Germany, and OG is the upper curve of Germany for England. That means the OG offer the linen for clothes and OE offer shows the offer of clothes for linen. Both intersect at each other at point equilibrium point A, that is the rate at which at that rate determine the a rate at which both countries are agree to exchange goods and services between them. But actual terms of trade depend upon elasticity of demands. For example, if elasticity of demand is inelastic in other country offer less amount of product for more goods. For example, offer curve if cloth is inelastic in Germany, then England England offer less amount of cloth for more amount of linen OL1. Then offer curve move to OE to OE2. And suppose other hand we suppose the offer curve of if suppose the elasticity of demand of linen in England is inelastic, then offer curve of OG move to OG1, OG1, and that circumstances Germany offer less amount of linen for more amount of clothes. That means we can say that the actual terms of trade between them depend upon elasticity of demands and demand pattern of the goods in both the countries. Thank you.